Hello, and thank you for joining me for another unboxing. Today I have the D2 Pad Internet Tablet. It comes with Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. It has a front-facing camera, 0.3 megapixel, Wi-Fi, 802.11bgn. It does video, built-in stereo speakers, G-sensor, and multi-touch capacitive touchscreen. Let's see what we have here now. Phone. Looks like the tablet. These tablets come in several colors. I've seen a pink one, a black one, and this is a blue one. Very stylish. They'll only see one speaker, but it says it's stereo. Not sure why. Has the micro SD card, has a micro USB, DC-in charger, power button, and headphone jack. Not a bad looking tablet. Very thin, light. Camera's not too awkward of a placement. Disclaimers. Good packaging. It's got this hard foam around the edges, so you don't have to worry about it being all dinged up when you finally get it. Have your internet tablet quick start guide. Looks like a manual, not too thick, but maybe works. You'll have a micro USB cable. And the power adapter. The pen type. I don't really care for those. And then you have a micro USB female adapter. The other was a male, and this is a female. Looks like that's about it. I don't see any other items in the box, and this was the unboxing of the D2 Pad Internet Tablet. I picked this up at Big Lots for $79.99, and give me about 2 or 3 days. I'll do a review on it, and I'll try to be as thorough as possible. Again, that's the unboxing of the D2 Pad Internet Tablet. Thanks for watching. Give me some thumbs up.